Hey there! Welcome back to Nonstop Tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting buzzwords of the decade, the Metaverse. What is it? Why does it matter in 2025? And most importantly, how does it impact you? Let's break it down. No tech jargon, I promise. All right, let's start with the basics. Think of the Metaverse as a shared virtual universe where people can work, play, socialize, and create, all in a digital space. It's like the internet but more immersive and interactive. It's powered by technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and blockchain. Imagine attending a meeting where everyone is a three-dimensional avatar or shopping for clothes by trying them on digitally from your couch. That's the Metaverse in action. So why does the Metaverse matter now? In 2025, the Metaverse is no longer a sci-fi dream. It's becoming a reality. Big players like Meta, Microsoft, and Epic Games have invested billions to make it happen. It's reshaping industries. Remote work now includes virtual offices and meetings. Virtual classrooms are making learning more interactive. Gaming, concerts, and even movies are taking place in the Metaverse. Here's a quick look at how the Metaverse works. Virtual reality and augmented reality. VR lets you fully immerse in a digital world, while AR adds digital elements to the real world. Blockchain. This technology powers ownership of digital assets like NFTs in the Metaverse. 3D modeling. Digital spaces are designed with 3D tools to create lifelike environments. Interoperability. It's like connecting apps. Different platforms in the Metaverse work together seamlessly. Now, why does this matter to you? The Metaverse isn't just for tech geeks or gamers. Here's how it's impacting everyday life: new job opportunities. From virtual architects to digital stylists, the Metaverse is creating jobs we've never seen before. Social connections. Stay close to loved ones or make new friends in immersive virtual spaces. E-commerce evolution. Shopping online is evolving into virtual stores where you can try before you buy. Of course, it's not all perfect. There are challenges like privacy concerns. How will companies handle our data? Accessibility. Can everyone afford or access the tech? Digital overload. Finding balance in a hyper-connected world. But as technology evolves, these challenges are being addressed. In 2025, we're already seeing better VR devices, more affordable options, and ethical debates shaping the Metaverse's future. And there you have it, a simple breakdown of the Metaverse and why it matters in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just curious, the Metaverse is set to change the way we live, work, and play. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what excites you most about the Metaverse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Futuristic music playing.